yours, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi, Brandon! So, me and Brown Jesus are currently in the Mazda. Hi! He just took you out of his house. Sounds pretty weird, doesn't it?
Everybody, it's DriftTheNorth here. We finally got our package from Wiring Specialties. We just picked it up.
The harness for his RB20 and the S13.
Here we go.
Unboxing.
Bubble wrap. Love the bubble wrap. Wiring Specialties Plug and Play Wiring Solutions book with stickers!
Yay!
So, if you get something from Wiring Specialties, they send you 2 stickers. They're sick, they're awesome.
This is sick. Look, you even have one for the 36. From one day.
How sick is this? They send you a bag.
Looks like you're having trouble with it.
Send you a
It's
bag
upside down.
that says Wiring Specialties.
The bag's sick.
That's actually sick.
Yeah.
That's a dope bag. That's an awesome bag.
Track bag. And now, we got
That's
the actual harness. This is
the actual harness. Whoa, big one.
Yeah, the actual harness. So, the patch harness is underneath.
This isn't an IKEA desk. Just zoom in on this. This isn't an IKEA desk.
So, yeah, this is all the harness.
That's fucking funny. Alright, you want to pull it out? Show them what it is, basically.
You'll be right to pull it out. Remember, this harness is going to be wrapped up in a car.
So
that's the actual harness.
this is the actual harness. Holy shit, it's a little heavy. So that's the actual harness.
Patch harness. Then you also have
The
grounding kit, which you need. Very well. So,
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, there we go.
Grounding.
Fresh harness. Our
Fresh
first
harness.
unboxing for any wiring specialty harness. My harness will be next for the one day.
I still like that. Danger. This isn't an IKEA desk.
I know.
That is awesome.
Wait.
With the patch harness?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, she's back in the box, nice and safe.
Plug and play.
Alright, what's up, guys?
It's DriftTheNorth here.
This little baby's going away. She's gone. That's it. She's all gone. And Brandon's really upset about it.
So, as you guys know by now, we sold the Volkswagen. We sold it to a good dear friend of ours. My buddy David. You'll be seeing him in the next clip. So, it's off, it's gone. Now it's time to look for an E36 or whatever would be to come my way. If anybody knows of an E36 and you're local in Toronto, please message me.
What he means by that, either go on our Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, and you will find us. Just send us a quick message.
Wait, peep the beamer in its hibernation.
Like I said, we're gonna sell the Volkswagen here. This beauty, Excuse my language. Shouldn't have swore. As you can see here, it's got one upgrade. Nice aluminum muffler. Okay. It is currently raining outside. Yeah. So we may have a little fun. Oh, give her a little rev ski.
She starts, boys. Alright guys, let's get a little light in here. Alright, we got Brandon taking his last rip in the Volkswagen before it's going. He's really upset, but we're gonna have some fun. Let's get her going. That's power steering. That's a power steering pump. Dark.
Don't feel spot?
No. You might want to turn your wiper.
Oh, I was thinking that. How do you oh, these ones? I forgot how to do this one.
The wipers are shit. The wipers are really shit. Wow, you can see better at the camera than we can actually see. Which is actually hilarious.
The fucking tires like.
Oh man.
I'm gonna miss you, baby.
Send it.
I'm gonna miss you.
Man.
I'm gonna miss you so much.
This is what $500 gets you guys. Gets you a car memories. Brandon, how do you feel right now?
I'm so sad.
I'm sorry, buddy. You gotta like the E36 when I grab it, and we're doing winter tandems.
Guys, don't get.
You want to take her for one more?
I'll take her for one more.
So Aaron's gonna take, AKA Brown Jesus is going to take the car for its last rip of all time, because the guy we're selling it to doesn't know how to drive it. So, you know, works out. Oh my god!
Little first year spinach.
Guys, I may die in this ride.
Wow. That's just like the best $500 car I ever spent. Shout out to the guy who sold me this car. You were some really sketchy white dude. I hope you remember me, but you were cool. The guy wanted $800 and I told him, nah, I'll give you $5. And he was like, oh man, I'll do it for $6. I'm like, nah, can I put a pinch over $100? So got it for $500, put an exhaust in it, deleted the resonator, and sent it.
So, he is making me one of the saddest boys of all time. He's selling the one car I've actually liked. That was his. Guys,
that's so speedy.
He is one of the best stick drivers I have ever been in the car with. Look him up, aka Brown Jesus.
Listen, if you guys are fat and you build a drag car and you need someone that's skinny to drive your drag car, hit me up. I weigh next to nothing.
He literally weighs like a penny. Like, that's being nice.
Brandon could like bench press me. And in the shop we go.
So now we're back in the shop. These are all the whips.
Bro, we killed this fucking clutch over the time of driving it.
This is the shop. These are the things. We did kill the clutch. I learned off of him on this car, and he basically destroyed it in snowbanks. So, good times. For some of you that don't know, this is shit. I almost dropped something. This is the shop. Prestige Auto Tinting and Customizing. Sick ass car there. Prices, everything. It's dope. It's sick. They do great work here. There is the address and the phone number. Hit him up. So guys, it's DriftTheNorth. We're back again here. It's Aaron right here, aka Brown Jesus.
The brownest of Jesuses.
The V-Dub is still sitting in the shop. We have not had the guy come pick it up yet. We may end up driving it to the house. We may not, depending on the tow truck. If we do end up driving to the house, trust me, you guys will be with us. Guys, it's DriftTheNorth here.
What's up? What's up? We got a sad little Newman over here. Nissan Newman.
You guys wouldn't believe what just happened.
Show them. Show them.
It's empty. It's completely gone.
It's gone.
The Volkswagen has been sold.
It's gone.
It is with its owner.
But making up for it will be an E36, hopefully. Hopefully that will come. Brandon doesn't seem too happy about it, but that's okay. We've got this free space here. It's all gone.
Nissan Newman wants to kick the shit out of this Beamer right now because he sold the Volkswagen on him.
Guys, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for our next videos. We should be doing some more things, especially to Nissan Newman's 240, and hopefully looking for an E36.
And that would be Brown Jesus' car, aka Aaron, aka Brown Jesus. It'll be his car. That's the car we're going for next. Right now we're on the E46. She's put away for the winter, but that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Stay tuned. Blah.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.